Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying essentials. Your device meets Spatial's minimums and you've signed in. Once done, enable camera, microphone, and motion permissions so tracking works. Next, choose a workspace template that matches your goal and position the device at chest or desk height for consistent tracking. Make sure the environment has moderate lighting and a simple background. That reduces jitter. Finally, tap Create to initialize the session and wait for the app to calibrate before moving to Content Setup. You now add content and fine-tune placement. Import assets directly and drag them into the scene. Once visible, use Snap for alignment, Scale for size, and Rotate for orientation. Enter numeric values when precision matters. Then organize layers or groups so interaction is predictable. Once arranged, configure collaboration. Invite teammates, assign edit or view roles, and enable spatial audio for realistic presence. If someone's view is off, ask them to recenter. That keeps everyone aligned and ready to interact. You finish by testing core interactions. Move objects, select details, add annotations, and save a snapshot to lock your state. Once satisfied, export or share the workspace link and confirm collaborators can join with the expected permissions. To improve performance, reduce texture sizes or turn off live shadows. That keeps frame rates smooth. If tracking falters, recalibrate the session or restart the app. And make sure the background is uncluttered. This single troubleshooting step solves most alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.